Good morning, everyone. Dean Howell here from GeoSpatial Connect. Hope you all had a good weekend, or for those in that part of the world, hope you're enjoying the little end of your weekend. Here in Adelaide, it's 10:30 Monday morning, and Monday mornings is our new member Hangout. So today is for a little bit about showing some of the features of the site. It's also an opportunity for new members to promote themselves. So if you want to get on and tell us about yourself, you might be looking for a job, you're working in a certain company, you can tell us why you've joined GeoSpatial Connect. Okay, it gives you that opportunity. So just jump on and just say hello. All right. We run these webinars each day, and hello there. Um, we run these webinars each day. They're at 10:30 Adelaide time, and so Mondays is our new members webinar. Tuesday is um, services. So if you have a service you'd like to promote, then Tuesday is the day to do that. Wednesday is our job seeker coaching, and this week Wednesday happens to be International GIS Day, so we're doing a special, still going to be related around job seeker coaching, but it's our GIS Day webinar as well. Thursday is products and projects, so if you have a product or project you want to promote, and Friday's our business coaching. So each day we run these short webinars, and they're for members to. I'm just going to just mute that for a second. All right. So if you have a question, then just type it in. If oh, um, then yeah, just we can then talk about whatever you would like to talk about. So by all means, jump on board and be involved. I mean, the webinars are a lot more interesting when we have that conversation going. So let's kick it off, and I'm going to share my screen. Just going to put the chat back on and share my screen. So just let me do that quickly. And we're going to go to the website. So I'm just going to move this so if anyone gets onto the chat then I can see it. All right, so here we are at the front page of GeoSpatial Connect, and you can see we're on the members page, and you can see members who have taken the time to put up their photo and to look at some of the fill in some of their information. So let's just have a quick look at a quick look at why it's great to do that. Now you can see these three gentlemen here have put their photo in, so immediately you're drawn to their photo as opposed to these other people who have not bothered to put their photo up. So it's certainly one of those things that I would encourage you to do. Get your photo on there and get your profile filled in. So we'll just have a look at Sergio's for a quick second, and you can see Sergio's email is there, and his details and his phone and the skills that he has. So he's got Python and Esri, and he hasn't put some experience in yet, but he's put in his university studies at Cranfield University and the Polytechnica in Madrid. So you know, it's very simple. Then you can connect with people. Um, our, we can have a look at Ashutosh and see what he's done. So he hasn't, he's put his photo in and he's put that as a geomatics enthusiast from Nepal, but hasn't completed the rest of the details yet. So I certainly would encourage people, you know, to get on and complete them. And, you know, part of completing them is that we'll profile you on these new member webinars. And so Bamiso Joel from the Cote d'Ivoire. Once again, he's put his photo in but hasn't done anything else. So let's just have a quick look at someone who has done that. And so what I'll do is I'll just go to my record. And so you can see, you can put a summary in, you can put in your skills and expertise, and you can put in the companies that you've worked for, how long you've worked there, and what you can do is with your current companies you can actually add information about them, and so if you're just working for a company, you can earn some brownie points with your boss by putting those details in. And when you put those details in, they end up on our company page. And you can see here, there won't be any information behind these, but it adds them in, and so it's waiting for those members who are employees of those companies to be able to do that. So let me just show you a couple that have been added. All right, so here we've got GeoSpatial Connect, so that's us. And you can see that we've got the name and the URL, a bit of a company description, products that we sell, and services that we offer, and then some locations, so you can have multiple locations, and just some broad company details there. All right, so how do you do that? That's what we're going to look at today. So let's log in. So to do all this sort of stuff, you need to log in. So we log into your account, and I'll go to my account, and we go over here, we hover over edit profile. Okay, so you can see here there's my details, and you have the option to make things private. So if you click on these boxes, then they won't be shown to the public, and you even have the option of turning it off altogether. So listing on members page, you can make it private. So if you click that, it won't appear on the page at all. Okay, so we can scroll down and you can edit each of these things. And when you've added your current position, a button will appear over here on the right which says Edit Company. And so we can click Edit Company, and it will allow us to type in some information about the company. Industry professionals to connect and buy and sell goods and services. So we're in Australia, founded this year in the geospatial industry. Just one employer, just me, and I can choose a logo. So let's scroll to my company data, and let's get my logos folder, and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I submit that. And it's telling us that the data has been uploaded successfully. So then we have all these options down the side. So we can add locations, we can add products and services, we can add our specialties. We can have a look at what it's going to look like for the visitor. So I can sort of see there, yeah, my logo hasn't uploaded. So we'll just go back. Not sure why that didn't work. Let's just try this guy. But that's where you do it, and we come back to that. So you can add locations, add products, and then once you're finished, that information will appear. So products and services and your specialties, yeah, fill them in for your company. All right. So that's how we go about it. All right. And then when we go back to the company's page, I'll just bring up the Australian one. And so I've got all these Australian companies here, and where people have worked. And if you're the editor of this company, or you're a member of this company, then this little green symbol will appear, and that will allow you to edit. So it can take you straight into the edit mode, and we can see the different members, of how many members they are, and so being very early on, it's just getting started. But get your information in there, edit it, tell your colleagues about it, tell the people that you work with about it, and we'll take it from there. So I hope that's been of use today, and remember, tomorrow is our services webinar if you want to promote a service. Wednesday, our GIS Day webinar. Thursday, products and projects, and Friday is our business coaching, our continuation of our series there. All right, so I'll just go back, take screen sharing off, just come back over here. All right, so have a great day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here on the webinar, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, so have a great day. Dean Howe, bye for now.